We are tracking the government's move of introducing the food security ordinance has expectedly irked the opposition. Both the BJP and the left have now lashed out at the government for taking the ordinance route rather than introducing the critical bill through a debate in Parliament. Meanwhile, the ordinance will be put before the President, Pranab Mukherjee, today.
नौ वर्षों में इस गवर्नमेंट ने फूड सिक्योरिटी बिल पार्लियामेंट में लाकर उस पर डिबेट कराकर उसे पास कराने की क्यों नहीं कोशिश की? और इस फूड सिक्योरिटी बिल में बहुत सारी खामियां हैं, बहुत सारी कमियां हैं, उन पर हम संसद में बहस करना चाहते हैं। और विद सर्टेन अमेंडमेंट्स, कुछ संशोधनों के साथ हम इस बिल को पारित करना चाहते हैं। विरोध करने की हमारी मंशा नहीं है, लेकिन संसद में इस पर बहस होनी चाहिए। गवर्नमेंट को यह ऑर्डिनेंस लाने में कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं करनी चाहिए थी। यदि 8-8.5 वर्षों तक इसमें पार्लियामेंट पर डिबेट नहीं करा पाई, इस गवर्नमेंट इसे पास नहीं करा पाई, तब इतनी जल्दबाजी क्या थी?
Those who have acquired a PhD in disruptionitis, the opposition needs to reflect as to the manner in which they have treated Parliament, the scant respect they have displayed for parliamentary institutions, parliamentary traditions, and the functioning of Parliament. Don't we all recall the November session of 2010 which was wiped out? Don't we recall the monsoon session last year which was completely wiped out? So therefore, it's indeed amusing that the ones who are shedding crocodile tears on parliamentary propriety are also the ones who have acquired a PhD in disruptionitis.
For 4 years, this government did not think it was a priority to bring a food security legislation at a time when India has the highest number of malnourished people in the world. And now, on the eve of a parliament session, to push through an ordinance of a bill which has serious flaws is contempt of Parliament, and it is also an injustice to people. Depends on the President of India whether he feels that, it is correct to pass an ordinance on the eve of the Parliament session. And in any case, as far as my party is concerned, we have already moved amendments to this bill in Parliament, and we will press for those amendments which will ensure that the public distribution system does not exclude people as the present one does.
Well, the Congress spokesperson and also a minister in the government speaking this way does not help in facilitation of interaction with the opposition. When only a couple of weeks ago you had Mr. Chidambaram come out and speak and say, just this one time, if I remember his words right, just this one time, they will make an all-out effort to reach out to the opposition and call a special session to pass the food security bill. And from our side, in fact, we even gave a suggestion saying, please advance the monsoon session, we'll certainly like to discuss. So the Congress should make up its mind whether they want to have bridges built and, discuss with the opposition, who are after all elected members, who are represented in the Parliament, to on the one hand say through a senior minister that they're going to reach out, and on the other hand have another minister who also speaks for the party to say that PhD, obstruction and so on doesn't help. It just shows how the Congress is so obsessed with itself continuing in power rather than genuinely want to have this important bill passed. And therefore, attempts should be to make sure that this gets discussed, tabled and discussed in the Parliament, and that would be a far more, democratically the right way to approach a bill of this nature.
They say, even your party chief Rajnath Singh today said that what is this hurry? Sushma Swaraj has also said that what is this hurry? But at some point of time, the government says that it is only BJP who had completely disrupted the parliament in the last session, which is why this was the only way out.
Congress, instead of making up and reaching out to the opposition, as was suggested and promised in maybe a condescending way by the finance minister, but should understand that Parliament works with the goodwill and the gestures of the government, which reaches out to opposition to take them on board. But if your intention is to constantly only name call opposition by saying you're an obstructionist, you hold a PhD in it, or you do this and you do that, the intentions don't seem to be all that bona fide. And therefore I think if the Congress really wants to reach out, it won't take them a bit of a time.
लेकिन इन्होंने ऑर्डिनेंस निकाल करके एक तो जल्दबाजी की, दूसरा जो चीज कही जाती वो सीधी वैसी होती नहीं, तो सारी चीजों पर बहस होती वो इन्होंने टाल दिया। ये जल्दी में चुनाव का भूत इनके सर पे सवार है, इसलिए इन्होंने पार्लियामेंट को विश्वास में लिए बगैर ये किया। पार्लियामेंट में आएगा तो हम सब लोग उसको पढ़ रहे हैं, हम जो अच्छा है जो खामी है उसको सब पे बोलेंगे।